Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change language on Bluesky social app. We're going to open the Bluesky app and at the top left corner we have the hamburger menu. We're going to tap on it and then go to settings. Under settings you can see some options. We're going to tap on languages. Now here you have three options. You have app language, primary language and content languages. Now the app language is the default text to display in the app. For the primary language, this will affect the language being used in your feed. And then for content languages, this is where you set the languages which you'd want your subscribed feeds to include. When we tap on it, you can see that you can select multiple languages. If that's what you want, then go ahead and select the languages you want. But for the primary language, you get to choose just one, and for the app language, you get to choose just one. So depending on what you want to do, this is how to change your language on Bluesky app.